Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the first video. We're back on the ramp today. We've already done some black bits on it. We've done the grille, sidebars, wraps on the chrome bits. Today we're doing the wheels, the inserts. It's going to be fully blacked out. Flip round the car, see what you think, and we'll show you the final outcome. So we're just about to crack the wheels, get these wheels off. As you can see, the inserts, we bought the wheels, we couldn't get a full black wheel, so we're just going to get rid of this silver sort of finish and do a black insert. The last thing will probably be, we're going to try and get some black nuts for these arches. Car's fully blacked out. Yeah, let's get these wheels off and crack on. Right, so we set the wheel up. I've just done a little practice run to make sure that I can get the tape edge that I want, so we can paint the insert on the wheel to just get rid of it. So if you want to have a quick look at what I've done, then we'll get the wheel cleaned up, and then we'll tape all the wheels up and bag them up. Done my tape line, I'm happy with that as a practice. I'm going to take one wheel off at a time, get them cleaned up, get them bagged up, and then position it on the cone, sits on there nice. So it took a little while, but we've finally got this wheel prepped. It's all bagged up. I've got my tape line on, it's all scotch prepped, ready to go. Sat on this cone, I'm happy with the height, I'm happy with how things are, so that's one down, 3 to go. Alright, so that's all 4 wheels prepped, taped up, ready to go. Next thing is panel wipe them all down, get rid of any degrease, and then we're going to go into etch priming the wheel to make the key paint up. And the wheels are all set up, prepped, ready to go now. They've been degreased, so there'll be 3 stages of paint. We'll have an etch primer, a base coat, and then a lacquer to finish. They're all set up, ready to go. Just gonna get cracking. That's all 4 wheels painted with full lacquer, 3 stages, so etch, base, lacquer. They're all painted now, just baking away. Shouldn't be a long, fast acting lacquer, so should be able to chuck them on the truck very soon. So the wheels are all baked off now. We did the inserts with a slight colour to the body with a satin matte finish, so the inserts are pretty much dry. We're going to drop the centre caps on, have a look what they look like. We unwrapped the wheel, put the centre cap in, but it just didn't contrast right. It was a gloss finish against the matte centres, so decided to go ahead and paint the full centres, so the centre of the wheel will be a matte and satin finish now, which looks loads better. Now these are dry, the centres, we'll take one outside, pop it on the wheel, put the wheel on the car and see what it looks like. So that's the truck all buttoned off, wheels are back on, centres are on, very happy with how we look. Since the last video we've done the bumpers, de-chromed them, the handles, the grill's been done, the sidebars have been colour coded, now the wheels. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed the first 2 videos. There's so much more content to come, the variation in cars, everything. So from Small Town Autos, see you later.